Hi everyone, I am Fish and I thank you very much for stopping by. DJI Osmo Action 3, the Mimo app, Playback on my iOS iPhone 12. If you have a phone and you're having the same exact problems, please post down below your phone, the app version you are running, so this way when DJI comes to the topic, comes to the comments, and makes their comment, you may reply to them and see what they are going to do. Let me just give you this little hint. On a good side, my camera just finished loading up all my video. I'm ready to go out again to take some shots. I unplug it. Check this out. I hit the shutter button and I'm instantly recording. How sweet is that? Well, we're here to do one of these. We're here to open up the application and we want to see if we have playback. The video prior to this showed that my playback worked. I shut the camera down and I waited the next day to see what would happen. And here we are connecting and we are going to end the video with this note. It has not been fixed. DJI, now what are you going to do? Tell us to continue to check the app version for updates to see if it's been resolved. This has been ongoing since September of 2022. It is 7 months later, not a good thing. Other people are happy using their camera, and maybe you could send me a new phone that will work with your camera, since the camera is a perfect working camera. On that note, we're looking forward to your answer.